So good day everyone. So Bambuhay and blessed be God forever. I am Clarence Mario from HTU. So I am a nursing student and for today I'm going to show my vision board in our MSTP. So here, so the first part is I'm going to explain the title. So as you can see, it shows that my life in 5 years. So this is important for me because it represents kung saan ko gusto mapunta after all my efforts and hard work, and this is not just for me, not a dream, but also but a plan I want to achieve step
By the step pala.
the first one, guys, here on the upper left on me is, as you can see, the education here. So dito sa part na to, guys, dito nyo makikita yung goal ko na makagraduate as a BS nursing student. So this is very important to me kasi ito talaga yung course na pinili ko, and I see myself in this field in the future. Wow. So nilagyan ko siya ng mga images like here, a diploma and the graduation cup. So ito yung parang nabivisualize nyo yung parang moment ko na matatapos ko na yung journey ko as a college. Kasi nga, just like Manon.
What did you like in school, Mano? Everything? Graduating.
As you can see here, of course you can explain ko lang yung mga notes ko here. So here are my checklists. First is to graduate as a BS Nursing by 2028. And finish with strong foundations and skills. Specifically, guys, yung goal ko dito is I want to graduate within the expected years and complete my degree successfully.
Success guy!
Again, Manon.
How to be free from school? Graduate.
Next naman, guys, is here in the middle upper, which is yung center niya, which is the main focus natin is my career. So ito yung pinaka center ng vision board ko kasi nga ito yung pinaka main goal ko. Ano ba? After the graduation, I want to pass a nursing license exam, licensure exam in one take and become a registered nurse or Clarence Mario RN like ganon. So nilagyan ko na siya ng myself here. Ano ba to? Basta ako. Myself here in a nurse uniform in the picture here, the hospital. So, ito yung parang images na gusto kong matahak or the environment na gusto kong pasukan. Then, after nga ng lahat, I plan to find a stable job in a hospital para ma-apply ko na yung knowledge ko and skills. So, as you can see, may mga notes din ako here and then the checklist. So here, the first one is to passing nursing licensure exam, one take. And also become a licensed registered nurse and work in a hospital by apparently 2030-31. Sana. So, ang smart goal ko naman dito is to pass the board exam by a specific year, which is 2028 sana, and become a licensed nurse and then get a job. Meanwhile, on the upper right corner here, as you can see, the finance. Can you read that? So on this part, makikita yung financial goals ko. So I included the images of money, as you can see, thousands here. Money to remind myself na importante na yung pagiging financially stable kasi we're broke. So gusto kong magkaroon ng stable income, makatulong sa family ko, and at the same time, matutong mag-save. Ang goal ko dito naman is magkaroon ng steady income and start saving money. So here, guys, we have a note, or like yun nga, just like everybody does have. Ano ba? Checklist. So para siyang ganun. So nakalagay dyan is Nakalagay dito is to have a stable income, help my family, save monthly a money, and also save at least thousands monthly by apparently 2020-31 if I have a job na. So, kagaya nga niyan, may piggy bank and like money on a jar kasi ngayon yung nire-represent niya saving money. Okay, so here naman on the bottom left or as we ano yun, lower left quadrant as I can say. So dito naman guys makikita yung the self care and my glow up here, the three images. So dito naman I focus on my self growth and self care. Parang di sure. So hindi lang about sa career yung future ko but also how I take care of myself then 5 years from now. So nilagyan ko to ng mga related images here like related sa health ko, skincare and also for my confidence kasi nga gusto ko maging physically, mentally, and emotionally healthy. And of course, when it comes to physically, hindi tayo magiging buff. We're going to be
Sexy! Woo!
So here we have a note then. The first one is to exercise 3 times a week. Healthy lifestyle, confident and disciplined. And the last one is to have a mental and physical wellness. Wow. Para bang wala ako. So basically guys, ang goal ko naman dito sa ating self-care and glow up is to maintain a healthy lifestyle and also build confidence and improve myself continuously. So guys, but not the least, we have our lifestyle and of course our dream life here on our lower right quadrant. So here we have 3 pictures that shows represents our my lifestyle in 5 years from now and also my dream life na rin. So this part it represents yeah, right there. So this part it represents my want overall. Of course that is a balance. Again, the peaceful and also an independent life. So, bakit ko gusto magkaroon ng independent life? Kasi nga, gusto ko magkaroon ng sariling space and live a life to be happy and also fulfilled. Yeah. Wow. And then sa part din na to, we have our checklist then or note. Of course, the first one is to live independently by 2031. Manifest. And also balanced life, happy and fulfilled. And the last one is to travel and make some memories. So guys, of course, hindi natin makakalimutan yung designs kung bakit to ganito, bakit ganyan yung arrange. So as you can see, may mga doodles, drawings here na makikita nyo. Yeah, and also the pink highlights, pink borders, and also the stickers. So of course, the stickers first is it represents the medical or nursing field. We hear the heart, and also the stethoscope, the symbol of nursing, and also here the cough and whatever. So makikita natin sa background first. Yung vision board ko is may mga random doodles siya. And just like stars, mga lines. And also hearts, some small drawings, etc. whatever. So these doodles guys are not just for a design. Of course it is for a design, pero may iba pa siyang purpose. So they actually represent my personality and mindset na rin. So for me, they show that I am someone who is curious, willing to explore, and open, trying new things. So parang nagsisimbolize siya as kahit na may mga plans ako, I am also ready to learn, experiment, and grow along the way. Kasi in reality naman guys, hindi naman always straight yung path to success natin. So sometimes we try new things, we make mistakes, and we discover new opportunities. And these doodles here, the black ones. So bakit pink? Why are they? Huh? So bakit pink highlights? Bakit may mga borders? The color is pink. Yeah, the highlights. So hindi ko rin alam. Hindi kasi guys, honestly, the color pink, since it's my favorite, it represents self-love, care, and also motivation. Kaya ako siya na-choose. And also, yung mga pink borders here and the highlights, even the color of the some stickers, it shows deeply about my goals and kinoconnect nito sa sarili ko. Like, for myself, I'm having a self-care, confidence, and even passion for my career. Wow! Same kasi siya doodles, guys. In a way na kasi both of them represent my personal growth journey. The doodles show curiosity and openness to growth. Parang robot. Ano ba yan? Well, the pink highlights show self-love nga and emotional motivation. So together, they remind me that about the success, it's not just about achievements, but also about how I grow as a person while reaching my goals, which is here. Hopefully, 5 years from now. Overall, guys, this vision board, it represents not just what I want to achieve nga, like just what I told earlier, but also who I want to become in the next 5 years, hopefully. And all of my goals are specific, of course, measurable, achievable, and for real, realistic, and time-bound. And I believe that through hard work, discipline, and consistency, I can achieve this, or all of this, for the next 5 years. So that is all for my presentation. So thank you for listening to me and having kulitan. So thank you everyone and good luck. God bless and bye-bye.